Okay, so for the Thai green papaya salad, you need a green papaya. Sometimes they have it shredded in the grocery store, but if not, you can get a green papaya and just make sure that it's really firm to the touch and not soft, because you want the green papaya to be crunchy. So what we're going to do is actually shred this green papaya. I'm going to cut off the ends here. You can see it's pretty firm. And then cut it in half. And here are the seeds. So we're going to remove the seeds. Just with a spoon, just remove them like this. Okay. And then we're going to peel the papaya. So here I have this julienne style hand shaver, but it has these teeth that'll actually shred it like this. If you cannot get the shredded green papaya like this, sometimes they sell at Asian grocery stores. And the thing with this particular contraption is that if you hold it flat, you end up pushing up the teeth that make the julienne, and then you're left with strips like this that has the indentations for the julienne but doesn't quite cut it. So the best way to shred is to keep it at an angle so this part is not really touching the vegetable, and then as it goes down, it has more of a chance of shredding. I won't say it's 100% guaranteed, but you'll have more shreds than if you did it flat. So this is the shredded part of the green papaya salad, and then what we're going to do is add the sauces and then this green papaya. So in Thailand, they use a clay pestle and mortar. In a pestle and mortar, first add your palm sugar, followed by regular granulated sugar, and stir. Then add your chili, crush that, followed by your cut fresh green beans, and mash that up. Then your tomatoes, crush that up. Add a large heaping spoon of fish sauce. Combine that into the mixture. Add your peanuts. Then add your shredded papaya. And lastly, your lime juice. And you can also include the actual limes into the salad so that the oils from the limes will get into the salad dressing. And what you're trying to do with a combination of this spoon and the pestle is mix it. So one is crushing the ingredients while the other utensil is churning the ingredients. And once you've bruised the papaya and all the sauce is evenly distributed, then it is ready. So then you can just take your spoon and place it onto the plates and serve. Hope you enjoy your Thai papaya salad. It really is refreshing and delicious. So bon appetit! More recipes can be found on sammywongskitchen.com or social media. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks!